Here is our question. This time we have to say about the existence of this function fx. Inverse of this function. First, let us draw the graph of this function. There is given that fx is 2x, where x belongs to 0 to 1. For 0 to 1 it is 2x, so the graph will be like this, passing through the origin 0 to 1, and this line will be y equals to 2. So we have drawn for 0 to 1 for this interval. There is one more interval for which fx is 8 minus 2x when x belongs to 2 to 3. 2, this is 1, 2, here is 2, there will be 3, 4, at 4 we have to take 2 to 3, so we may take at 2, at 3 you see this will be 2, and at x equal to 2 the function is 4, so this will go up somewhere in this area and the graph will be this one. Now we have to tell about the existence of this inverse of this function. You know that to get the inverse of a function we interchange x and y, that is we have to take mirror image of these two functions about y equals to x. If you see this line is y equals to x, and you can take mirror image of this line along this. If you suppose this is a mirror, then you can get an image of this line, also you may get an image of this line. So inverse exists, but you see the function is in two parts. One is here, second is here. Its image also will be in two parts, so the function is not continuous. So we arrive at a conclusion that the function exists but is not continuous. So C is our right option.